Hey there, explorers! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of words and language. Today, we're going to uncover the magic behind descriptive adjectives. These little words have a big job. They make our sentences sparkle and shine. So, buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Steve Backshall here, ready to take you on a wild adventure through the jungle of language. Just like the jungle is full of vibrant plants and fascinating animals, our language is full of descriptive adjectives that bring our words to life. Today, we're talking about descriptive adjectives. These are the words that tell us more about the nouns they describe. They give us details about how something looks, feels, tastes, sounds, or smells. For example, instead of just saying a car, you could say a shiny red car. See how much more interesting that is? Descriptive adjectives are like superpowers for your words. They can transform a simple sentence into something much more exciting and vivid. Imagine you're a superhero, and your power is to make your stories and descriptions come alive with just a few well-chosen words. They add color, excitement, and detail to your sentences. Think of them as the paintbrushes and colors you use to create a beautiful picture with your words. Without them, our language would be pretty dull and boring. Imagine describing a lion without using words like fierce, golden, or powerful. Pretty boring, right? But when you use descriptive adjectives, you can really capture the essence of the lion and make your description come to life. You can almost hear the lion's roar and see its majestic mane blowing in the wind. That's where descriptive adjectives come in. They help us add depth and detail to our writing. Whether you're telling a story, writing a poem, or just describing something to a friend, descriptive adjectives make your words more powerful and engaging. They help us paint vivid pictures in our minds and make our stories come alive. When you read a book with lots of descriptive adjectives, you can almost see the scenes unfolding in your mind. It's like watching a movie, but with words. Are you ready to unleash the power of descriptive adjectives? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore how to use these amazing words to make our writing more colorful, exciting, and full of life. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started on this incredible journey through the world of descriptive adjectives. One of the easiest ways to use descriptive adjectives is with colors. Colors are everywhere around us, and they have the power to transform the mundane into something extraordinary. Imagine a world without colors. How dull and lifeless it would be. Colors not only add beauty to our surroundings but also help us express our emotions and thoughts more vividly. They can evoke feelings of happiness, sadness, excitement, and calmness. Let's dive into the fascinating world of colors and see how they can make our descriptions more vibrant and engaging. Think about a bright red strawberry. The color red itself is so powerful and striking, it immediately grabs your attention and makes the strawberry look even more delicious and tempting. But did you know that there are many shades of red that can describe a strawberry? We can say the strawberry is red. This is a simple and straightforward description, but it doesn't capture the full essence of the strawberry's color. But we can also say it's crimson, scarlet, or even ruby red. Each of these words adds a different nuance to the description. Crimson suggests a deep, rich red, while scarlet implies a bright, vivid red. Ruby red evokes the image of a gemstone, making the strawberry sound even more precious and appealing. See how much more interesting that sounds? Using specific color adjectives can make your descriptions more vivid and engaging. It helps paint a clearer picture in the reader's or listener's mind, making your communication more effective and enjoyable. Colors can describe all sorts of things. From the clothes we wear to the food we eat, colors play a crucial role in our daily lives. They can indicate ripeness, freshness, and even the mood of a scene. For instance, a room painted in warm colors like red, orange, and yellow can feel cozy and inviting, while a room painted in cool colors like blue and green can feel calm and relaxing. The sky can be azure blue or stormy gray. Azure blue suggests a clear, bright sky, often associated with beautiful weather and a sense of tranquility. On the other hand, stormy gray indicates an overcast sky, hinting at rain or a storm, and can evoke feelings of gloom or anticipation. A parrot can have emerald green feathers and a sunshine yellow beak. The word emerald not only describes the green color but also adds a sense of richness and vibrancy, making the parrot sound even more exotic. Sunshine yellow conveys a bright, cheerful color reminiscent of a sunny day. What other colorful things can you think of? Colors are all around us and they can make our descriptions come alive. Whether it's the deep blue of the ocean, the golden hues of a sunset, or the pastel shades of a spring garden, colors have the power to transform our perception and enhance our experiences. So next time you describe something, think about the colors and how they can add depth and richness to your words. Another important group of descriptive adjectives helps us talk about size. In the animal kingdom, size can mean the difference between predator and prey. A mouse is small, an elephant is big, but we can be even more descriptive. The mouse might be tiny, miniature, or itsy-bitsy. The elephant could be gigantic, enormous, or colossal. Can you think of other words to describe the size of these animals? Descriptive adjectives can also help us express feelings and emotions. How would you describe a happy puppy? You could say the puppy is happy, of course, but you could also say it's joyful, playful, or cheerful. What about a sad puppy? It might be sad, gloomy, or down in the dumps. See how descriptive adjectives help us understand the puppy's emotions better? Section 5, Tastes of Adventure. Let's move on to something delicious. Descriptive adjectives are perfect for describing the taste of food. Imagine a big bowl of ice cream. Is it sweet or savory? Is it creamy or crunchy? Maybe it's even tangy or spicy. Next time you eat something yummy, try to think of as many descriptive adjectives as you can to describe the taste. Section 6, Sounds of the Jungle. The jungle is a noisy place. Can you hear the animals calling to each other? Descriptive adjectives can help us describe the sounds we hear. A monkey's call might be loud, shrill, or piercing. A lion's roar could be deep, thunderous, or bone-chilling. What other sounds can you describe using descriptive adjectives? Section 7, Descriptive Adjectives. Make sentences exciting. Now that you know all about descriptive adjectives, let's see how they work in sentences. Remember, descriptive adjectives usually come before the noun they describe. Instead of saying the cat sat on the mat, we can say the fluffy cat sat on the colorful mat. See how much more interesting that sounds? Section 8, Tips and Tricks from a Pro Explorer. Here are a few tips for using descriptive adjectives like a pro explorer. Don't be afraid to use lots of adjectives. The more you use, the more vivid your writing will be. Try to use different adjectives to describe the same thing. Instead of always saying good, try fantastic, amazing, or incredible. Asterisk. Use your senses. Think about how things look, sound, taste, smell, and feel. Section 9. Go on an adjective. Adventure. Congratulations, explorers. You've made it this far, and now it's time to put everything you've learned into practice. Today, we're going to embark on a thrilling journey where your imagination is the only limit. Are you ready to dive into the world of descriptive adjectives and see how they can transform your writing and storytelling? Let's get started. You've learned all about descriptive adjectives and how to use them to make your writing more exciting. Descriptive adjectives are words that add detail and color to your sentences, making them more vivid and engaging. They help paint a picture in the reader's mind, allowing them to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel what you're describing. For example, instead of saying the dog, you can say the fluffy, playful dog to give more information and make your writing more interesting. Now it's time to go on an adjective adventure of your own. Imagine you're an explorer in a dense, mysterious forest. What do you see? Perhaps you notice the towering ancient trees with their gnarled, twisted branches. Maybe you hear the melodious chirping of birds or the rustling of leaves as a gentle breeze passes through. Can you smell the earthy scent of the forest floor or the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers? Use descriptive adjectives to bring your adventure to life. Look around you and try to describe everything you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch, using as many descriptive adjectives as you can. For instance, if you're eating ice cream, think about the creamy, cold texture and the rich, sweet flavor. If you're touching a tree, describe the rough, rugged bark and the cool, smooth leaves. The more specific and detailed you are, the more vivid your descriptions will be. The more you practice, the better you'll become at using these powerful words. Writing is like any other skill. The more you do it, the more proficient you'll become. Try keeping a journal where you describe your daily experiences using descriptive adjectives. Write about the delicious warm breakfast you had, the bright sunny day outside, or the cozy quiet evening at home. Over time, you'll find that using descriptive adjectives becomes second nature. Remember, learning should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with different adjectives and see how they change the tone and mood of your writing. Play around with words and enjoy the process of discovering new ways to express yourself. Whether you're writing a story, a poem, or just a simple description, let your creativity shine through. So get out there, explore, and have an adventure with descriptive adjectives. Take a walk in the park, go on a treasure hunt, or simply observe the world around you. Use your newfound knowledge to describe everything you encounter in rich, vivid detail. The world is full of wonders waiting to be described, and with descriptive adjectives, you have the power to bring those wonders to life. Happy exploring and happy writing.